Today I'm going to be showing you how to undress and redress your Yogibo Lounger. You're going to want to flip the Lounger upside down, find your zipper, unzip the cover. Easiest way to do this is grab it from the bottom and just kind of work your way up, just slowly just pulling the cover and inner away from each other. Go to the other side. Again, just pulling the inner out. Grab this excess and pull it off. Just like so. If you're going to need to refill your Lounger, you're going to find the inner zipper here on the bottom. We use a special lock zipper that keeps it in place so it doesn't fly open and get beads all over your house. To get into the lock zipper, you're going to need to use a zip tie, paper clip, or even a bread tie. So, to build this, push down the middle here. This middle part right here helps prop up the peak. What you're going to want to do is get your cover. So, the Lounger cover has the top part, which is the peak. You know that by the Yogibo tag on the back. What you're going to want to do is put this part right over the peak and try to get it as tight as possible on top of the peak. Then what you're going to want to do is get the inside of this zipper, pull it to the side, flip this on its side, and use this bottom part. You're going to you want it to pull right over this bottom part. And you're going to want to do that by pinching your elbows together and pulling the cover towards you. Then you're going to want to go more toward the back side of it. Pinch the elbows again, pull over just like that. Now we're going to go to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. So shaking it, trying to get it over this corner, just like so. A bit more this way, pinch the elbows, pull it over. Now you're going to put it like this, where the peak of it's on the table. You're going to grab each side of the zippers, pulling the cover towards you. And then do the same thing on the top part, like this. Then you're going to need two hands here. So one hand holds the cover together on the zipper side as you start to zip. Come on. Perfect. Pull these two together. Pushing the bead down makes it easier to zip. Tuck in your zipper, pull it over, push right in the middle, and that is how you build your Yogibo Lounger.